Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Waverly's Preps. Today I want to do a review on my 3D printer I just got last week. It's an Ender 3 V2. I've been looking at getting a 3D printer for a while because I like the technology. I like it. It seems like something I can have fun with, and that's what I'm doing. It's been a lot of fun. It's a learning curve. It's one of the things you have to be patient with and don't get frustrated with. But yeah, I definitely like it so far, especially for somebody who's never done 3D printing before or just learning how to do it. I think this is perfect for me anyways, because I'm liking it. I'm having fun with it. I'm making all kinds of things with it. I made this, which goes with a magazine, AR mag, that mounts on the wall like this. And with the same file that I got, you can hang your AR on the wall with this. Goes into the mag wall, you mount it to the wall like this, put your AR up against the wall, put it right there, it clips it in, fine. I've tried it out, clicks in real good, it's got a little locker, so it's not going to fall off. Radio holders for like 2-meter little ham radios, handhelds, or walkie-talkies. Little bit clips right there. Oh, this is another cool. Made this. I don't know if you can see it. 22 long rifle. Little ammo box for 22s. Now, I haven't found any ones for 9mm or 5.56 yet, but I'm still having fun with it, so it's coming. You can use different color filaments. I've got black, gray, white, copper, red, and brown. I have got brown. And you can, there's all sorts of colors out there. You can look on Amazon, there's all kinds of rainbow colors, fluorescent colors. I'm going to get, before Halloween, I'm going to get some glow-in-the-dark filament to make some skulls with, so we can do some decorations and the kids can have fun with. But I also made a nameplate for myself and making a nameplate for my daughter. Put your mind to, you can find a 3D print it out, or right now, as what I'm doing is learning how to use the CAD program to write my own little projects and put out there into the slicer and slice it. Because when you get the 3D printer, you get the program, the slicer program that goes with it, so you can make a G code for it. I'm no expert at this, all right, so I'm just letting y'all know. I'm just now getting used to it. I'm learning it. But for a first-time user, I think the Ender 3 V2, or made by Creality. Hopefully I'm not botching that name up. Sorry. But anyways, I'm going to turn the camera over, let you see it. And like I said, it's going to be a short little video. It's going to be my little review on it for me. For you guys. So, you know, if you ever thought about 3D printing, it's something you can play around with. This is it. Oh, and by the way, the replacement parts are cheap. I've ordered a set of replacement parts for it. They don't need it right now, but just in case, you know, with the shortages going on and everything, I just want to get some extra parts for it just in case I can't get them later on. And if something wears out or breaks down, I got replacement parts. So anyways, let's turn the camera around and you can see it. You can see it right there. There's the 3D printer. I made a little tool holder up there at the top, right there. And where on the left-hand side, where the filament is, the little roller, I made that little base right there so it offsets it a little bit. And right now, I'm making a thing, a little roller, the set's going to set on the side to help bring that filament down and more of a direct flow into it. But that's it. That's my 3D printer. I'm liking it. I'm having fun with it. I made that little puppy dog too. You can get those. It's not going to get in focus. Come on, get in focus. Not going to. Well, it's not. Anyways. So, yeah, it's a little puppy. Like I said, you can make all kinds of things with it. Whenever set your mind to it. And if you're willing to learn how to use the CAD program, which is, it makes designs, use CAD and then learn to use the slicer. It's just my view on a 3D printer. I like it, having fun with it, and later on I'm going to start incorporating more, making projects for my preps and everything, holders, little tool holders and stuff that I want to specifically design for me or use for me in my everyday life things, you know, stuff that I can, maybe something for the car or something for my computer room or preps, or just for making animal boxes, something more specific toward me or anything like that. But anyways, my name is Jeff, Flavor Preps. I hope you liked this video. Sorry it's a little jumpy around. I never did a review like this before or something, and I hope you enjoy it. And I think 3D printing it's becoming the future. There's a lot of things, and plus the prices for those are coming down. They're getting kind of inexpensive. So I think if you want to get into 3D printing, try out the Ender 3 V2. You'll like it. I do. It's a learning curve, so you have to be patient with it. But at the same time, it's worth doing. It's worth getting into. And the film is not so cheap. I mean, it's $20 like a roll, or so, or if you can get into the high dollar rolls. But starting out, don't buy expensive stuff. Buy the good stuff, but don't go too cheap and don't go too expensive. Get something that if you make a mistake, you're not out a buttload of money. Anyways, it's Jeff with Waverly's Preps. I hope you liked this video. Definitely comment. If you like it, subscribe. But definitely leave some comments. I'll comment back. I'll interact with you. We'll have a conversation about it. But yeah, definitely leave some comments on there. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I got more videos coming out. I got some before. But anyways, hope you have a good day. Check out the Ender 3 printer. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Take it easy. But definitely leave comments. I got to have some feedback. I want some feedback from you people. Please, I appreciate it. But take care. God bless.